Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to show formulas in Microsoft Excel. So, click on formulas and here is the option show formula. Display the formulas in each cell instead of the resulting value. So you want to check which formula is used in this column or cell. So just click on it. So you can see all formulas will appear here. You can check out and you can see the how it's working. Again, you want to show the value, again click on it. So now you will see the value. Once you click on it, so you will see which formula is used. You can see the full formula, so extend this column like this. So you will get the complete formula here. Similarly, like this. And again click on it. Now you want to adjust this column size. So click here and adjust any column. So now all columns are in equal size. So this is a short and basic video to learn Microsoft Excel. Check out the playlist in description. You will get the useful and quick and basic to advanced video learning tutorial. Thanks for watching.